Look at all this corn in his stomach. Patty missed that one. Some sludge. Whoa! Ew. Damn, don't put, she's got an old gross nose.
Yeah. We're gonna eat the fish.
Whoa, look at that. Oh.
That's how Jen guts fish with her bare hands.
Yeah.
You think that's funny? Is that funny?
Hey, what is this?
Looks like a blood clot.
Really?
Yeah.
This fish must have had high cholesterol. It's got a blood clot. What?
It sounds like I'm talking. Like, don't just talk, but I'm talking.
Mom, you see this?
You want to see the
guts?
The guts?
Mom, you see busy.
Mommy's cleaning it out.